Numbers are arranged in rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and columns A, B, C, D as shown below. Which row and column will the number 430 be? Now when we see questions like that, we must try to set up a pattern such that we can work out the answer. So if we look at row 1 and if we look at column B, the increment is plus from 5 to 25 is a plus 20, but from 25 to 35 is a plus 10. Then it's a plus 20 and then it's a plus 10 again. So it's a bit difficult to have a standard pattern that we can follow. Then we try to look at C and we see that from 10 to 20 there's a plus 10. But from 20 to 40 is again a plus 20 and here is a plus 10 and then here is plus 20. So if we work in this direction, we do not have a proper pattern. So we will try to see if row 1 can multiply by a certain number to get 10. So 1 times 10 we get 10, 2 times 10 we get 20, but 3 times 10 we do not get 30, we get 40 here, which means that again there's no fixed pattern here. So we try to look at column D. So if you look at column D, you realize that row 1 will be 1 times 15, row 3 will be 3 times 15, we get 45, and then row 5 is 5 times 15 and we get 75. So this pattern works. If you look at row A, it will be 2 times 15 which is 30 and 4 times 15 which is 60. So in this case we can work on dividing by 15 to see where this 430 will end up at. Okay, it's quite easy to identify because in column A it's actually all in terms of tens, but in column D is all in terms of 5 at the back. So first we'll do 430 divided by 15. And we will get 28 and 2/3. It means that it will not fall in column A or column D. So we've got to work further by using 28 times 15 and we will get 420, which means that at row 28 it will be here 420 because again you see the number 0 in terms of 10 will end up in column A. So the next number according to the way this works, right, would be if I move this way, this would be 415 because from 60 to 55 there's a minus of 5. So the next to get to 430 I will need to jump to the row at the bottom, which will be for 55, 60, 65. So again this would be 415, 420 and 425 followed by 430. So the answer would be in column C. And row 29 because this is at the next row.